Today, San Jose, California, just installed LiftMaster's LA400U with the monitoring for pedestrian and vehicle traffic. Nice little control box there mounted to the side of the residence. I'm going to hit the key code here and show you how nice and quiet this machine is. Just beautiful. Slow stop. And we got the monitoring there. I'm going to hit the key code again here. Close the residence up. Here we go. Block the sensor there. Slow stop. Perfect. Another satisfied customer here today in San Jose, California.